Barely 2 weeks into office, Land CS Alice Wahome has come out guns blazing against unlawful occupants of public land.
Any person on public land must start preparing to vacate with immediate effect or as soon as possible.
We've lost a lot of land to unscrupulous persons who are processing fake documentation and taking public land.
While addressing the media on the steps the ministry is taking to ensure land cartels are dealt with, Wahome opined that the digitization and registration processes are now complete for easier verification. However, land cartels have been put on notice.
Do not fall into a trap of fraudsters, and there are many, and this ministry has now taken a position that any of our officers that will be involved in those practices will have to leave. We'll also have to face the law.
At the backdrop of the East African land demolitions, CS Wahome says more is yet to unfold as those occupying public land have been advised to vacate immediately.
Any other documents out there purported to be held in respect of the said land, whether by way of subdivision, by original title, by transfer, do not emanate from this office.
Wahome says the ministry has confirmed and verified that the over 4,000-acre land parcel belongs to East African Portland Cement, distancing her ministry from ordering the evictions.
We don't enforce demolition or other enforcements in relation to access to land. That is the function of the owner of the land, of course, in conjunction with the security operators. Mavoko is being done by the Portland Cement.
On his part, Lands and Physical Planning PS Nixon Korir has ruled out compensation for those who have lost their property, arguing that the sellers who duped unsuspecting buyers should be held accountable.
How do you compensate IMMA? And yet they are operating using forged documents.
At the same time, the ministry has vowed to cooperate with the Directorate of Criminal Investigations to help pursue the process in a humane manner, adhering to all the due diligence measures. It is now clear that the government has read the Riot Act, cautioning individuals or entities on public lands to vacate soon or immediately. Mariam Jahid at the Ministry of Lands and Physical Planning, Nairobi.